How are you doing, guys? This is Quinton right here. In this video, I'm going to further teach you more about MASM 32. Okay, so before I start, I would like to shout out to a person commenting under my first video. His username is Max Master, and he just gave me an idea on how to decorate your command prompt. So I feel like it is quite useful in some way. So I'm going to show you how we can do it, and of course I'm going to explain it line by line. But anyway, thank you, Max Master. Without you, we wouldn't have this video. So without further ado, let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. So the first line is this. Basically, move AX 0B800H means, uh, as you can see, himself has explained as well. You use the segment address and you basically just move the segment address into AX. If you don't understand, it's fine. It's really fine. Just follow along and move it into ES. And basically, this is the offset. Um, it is the character that you want to the offset of the character that you want to display. Then CLD means clear direction flag, and next is move AL for TH. This is the text you want to display. In this case, you want to display 40 hexa, 14 hexa, and in the ASCII table, it is referring to let's see, add. Okay, this is what I call this. Yeah, this symbol add. Okay, and next, and remove 809 into AH to basically just display this. Okay, oh sorry, 009. I'm so sorry, 09 is the color. So no mind, we'll just run this and finger cross. I think it should work. I have tried running it previously. Yeah, and you can see this right here, the little space to the left of the character is actually the offset. So let's say I put something smaller like 04. As you can see right here, it is moving closer to the left of the screen of the prompt. And okay, let's say you want another symbol. Let's find something different. What about we print an A? How does that sound? Let's run and see. Yes, it's an A. Okay, so you can go with decimal if you want. You could even write like this. It's totally up to you. No problem at all. Okay, so now we'll take a look at this. To be honest, I'm not completely sure about this whole chunk of code, but after experimenting with it, I kinda learned more about assembly language. So we'll try putting 02. Let's see what comes out. I'm very curious as well. Yeah, it's a totally different color. Okay, so I bet if I put FF, white, it will be in the color white. Wait. Oh, you can't put FFH, that is too large for our register. So maybe we'll go something with 1, and let's see. Okay, what about, let me think, FH. Oops. It doesn't work that way. Yeah, so maybe we'll try something like 20. Let's see what it brings us. Wow, that looks so colorful, man. Oh, I can't zoom in, but anyways, basically that's the gist of this whole chunk of code. Oh yeah, did I explain about this? I think I didn't, but anyways, STOSW means to store AX at location ESDI. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 codes, which can bring you a very colorful command prompt. Text. Yeah, I know it's just the text, but in the future we will look at how to center the text and decorating the background. Wondering what will happen if I put like this. Hmm. So if I want to do it twice, um, to be not honest, I'm not really sure what will happen, but it's fine. We will learn together. Hmm. B. So the A is getting replaced. Do I need to display it first? Let's see. Okay. So that's how it works. This 1, 2, 3, and yeah, okay. You write the text you want. I mean the character that you want, and then the color, and then finally you display it by storing AX at location ESBI. Thank you very much. I hope you can comment down about what do you think about this episode, and you could give more idea for the next episode as well. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you find this useful. And thank you very much. See you in the future. Have a good day. Actually, I have just found out about this, and I'm so sorry for the wrong information. But we'll take a look back at this line. And just now I've said this is the line for the color, but when I take a look closely and examine properly, the first digit is actually for the background, and the second digit is for the color of the text. So how do I know which uh, digit do I use? You can refer to this color of text from, I think it should be everywhere on the website. I mean, I just type this, and as you can see, 0 is for black, but let's say, okay, let's put this into the work. Let's say I want brown background and I want like magenta for my font. So I will put 6, and did I say like magenta? Okay. What about like green? Okay, A 6A. Okay, 6A. Remember you need this hexa behind, so yeah, because it's in hexa, so don't forget the H. Okay, that's wrong. And you can see you will get green. What did I say just now? Uh, 6 brown. Yeah, background should be brown, and green text. That's all. That's all I want to add on. Thank you.